Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home cooking. That's right, I'm not working, I'm cooking tonight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare tonight. What I'm gonna have is some Wild Pacific salmon. If you can see this right here, this here is what I'm gonna be preparing. This here, I got it at I got this at Kroger, and I'm gonna prepare this here. And I'm gonna put some of this here on there. This here season right here, I'm gonna be putting it on there. If you can see this right here, it's Slap Your Mama. It's a good season. I like this here stuff. It's real spicy, like, and it is good. I'm gonna put some of that on there, and I'm gonna have some of this here black pepper. I'm gonna put in there on it, and after I finish baking it out, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bake it. I'm gonna put it in the oven and bake it. I'm gonna squeeze some of this lemon and put some lemon juice on there, and it's gonna taste pretty good. Also, I had some well, it's frozen, but I'm gonna have to throw it out. Some of this broccoli. Yeah, I'm gonna put some of that in there. I'm gonna have it with that. So let me see if I can get this here open, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna get it you know, cleaned up here. So I'm just, you know, cutting along here, cut it away from me, and then I'm gonna, you know, take and slide it out. See, this here is salmon. It's in this package here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this here over to the sink, and I'm gonna take and I'm gonna take and wash it off, and then I'm gonna once I get it all washed off and all, then I will take and season it up. So let me take and move it over here to the sink area here, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna, as you can see right here, I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna, you know, cut it out right here, and I'm gonna get it out of there, get it out this plastic here. That's what I want to do, get it out of that. And I'm gonna take and put it in some into some water. I'm gonna wash it all off here, get it out of this right here. Now I'm gonna take it and rinse it off real good. Okay. All right, now I'm back with the salmon, and I'm gonna put some the seasoning on. Let me get this other bowl here. Well, I'm gonna be using this glass Tupperware that I'm gonna bake it out in. So let me transfer this portion. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and I'm gonna sprinkle some of this here Slap Your Mama on here, seasoning on it. Oh, you know, like to spread a little bit of that out there on there. And once you got it in there, on there, then I come back and I take and I sprinkle some of this black pepper on there. Now I'm gonna bake it in the oven, and I have it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's gonna be real warm, and I would say probably about, maybe no more than about 20 minutes. So see, right now I'm just rubbing this here into the salmon right here. So we're getting it good and warm. The oven is good and warm. So I'm rubbing this in so the season will soak into the salmon. So now I'm gonna take this salmon right here, and I'm just gonna lay it in here. I rinse that off. So now I'm gonna take and place this here in the oven. So I'm gonna bake it out. So let me transfer this over here to the oven. Put it in there. And I'm gonna set the timer. I'll set the timer over here for probably about, as I see it, 20 minutes. Well, not that portion. It's on 20. All right. So that should be good. About 20 minutes there. Okay, so now we can we're gonna clean this here up. Meanwhile, we're gonna let that bake out, and once that finished baking out, I'll be back. So I'm gonna also take this here broccoli. It's frozen, so I'm gonna let it thaw out a little bit, and then I'm gonna have that with the salmon. That's right, yeah, this here I'm gonna have it with the salmon. Okay, stay tuned for that. Okay, everyone, I'm back. It's time to get the salmon out of the oven. It has baked. It's time. 20 minutes. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the way this here looks. It looks delicious. That's right. That is all delicious right there. But just to top this here off, I got to do something else to it. Let me set this down right here. Yeah, I'm gonna sit that right there for now. And what we're gonna do is, like I told you before, I'm gonna take and put a little. I always like to add some of this here on it. The country crock. As you can see, this right here, the country crock. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. This right here. So I'm gonna add some of this on here. Let me get it open. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, and I'm gonna spread it. Just lay it on there. It's good and hot. So just kind of let it run all over, get a little buttery flavor in there. The country crock. I always like to put a little let off on top of it. Yes. Okay. So got that in that. So now, that that's on there, what I want to do is, take this lemon. I like to take the lemon, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna take this lemon, and I'm gonna take and cut it a little bit here. That's right. I'm gonna cut this lemon. Okay. So, and now You see the lemon? I'm taking and squeezing the juice of the lemon onto the salmon. It's gonna give it a little bit more of this buttery lemon flavor in it. Just let that over there, and as it, you know, cools off right here, squeeze that off on that. It's gonna look, well, just looking at it, oh, it's gonna taste good. Yeah. So let that run off there a few minutes. Oh, I had something else in the oven. Let me get that out of there. Oh yeah. Yeah. I got this broccoli and corn that I'm gonna have with it. So this is what I was telling you that was frozen, the broccoli. Well, it's not frozen now, so thaw it out. So I'm gonna have that with the salmon and some corn. Also, I'm gonna have some well, I don't know, I'm gonna have me some of these here pork and beans. Yeah, put some of that with that. So let me fix me a little something here and prepare this meal. Hold on there, hold on a minute. Let me see. Let me cut those oven off over here. That's all clear. Okay, so can't wait to just, I'm tempted to just, you know, try some of this something. But I just wanted to let that juice run in there, the lemon juice and the country crock butter kind of soak in that, and that just gives it a good more flavor to it. It's gonna be good. Well, let me get me a plate here and try some of this here. Now, got me a plate, so I'm finna put something on this plate. Let me put some of this corn on here. And we're definitely gonna have some of this broccoli. So I'm getting some of that. Put that broccoli in there. And we definitely gonna have some of these put some of these beans in there. All right. Now, the moment that we've been waiting for. This is when I'm dressing the plate up. Corn, broccoli, and some of those pork and beans. Now, what we're gonna have? We're gonna try some of this salmon. We're gonna take and cut a little bit of this salmon off right here. Yeah, we're gonna. Let me see if I can. Both hands are full, so let me see. I'm gonna put some of this here on the plate. You see, this here is kind of way I dress my plate up, you know, for a little meal right here. This is a little salmon, pork and beans, and some corn, and some broccoli, as you can see right here. So, let's try some of that salmon. Y'all ready to try some of this? Y'all ready for me to try some? Okay, I'll try some. Let's see what it tastes like. Let me see. I want to see exactly what it tastes. Oh, it's falling apart here. Let's see if I can get a little bit of it. That's good. That's very good. Yes. It's nice and moist, not dry. So this is good. Yes, yes. Salmon with some of those beans. Well, some of this broccoli. It's all good, y'all. It's all good. I'll eat some of this Oh yeah, that's all good. So stay tuned. I'll be back soon. It won't be as long. I've just been busy, but I'll be back with some more. I'm gonna be in the kitchen cooking again. So just wanted to drop this here video of me at home cooking in the kitchen. So I'm finna go. I'm gonna take and finish this up, y'all. I gotta go now. All right, bye.